Hi everyone, here we've got Redmi Note 10 Pro, and let me share with you how to use secret codes on this device. So firstly, let's enter the dialer, because obviously this is the place where we will enter all of those codes. And let me begin with the shortest one and probably the most known, which is *pound 06 pound. And as you can see, the device information just pops out, and here we are able to check both IMEI numbers and also a serial number of this device. Let me tap on OK, and let me show you another code which will open, I would say, the technical info about charging and battery. So it is *pound 6485 pound *. And as I said, here we've got charging and battery info, and here you can check if it is charging right now and in what kind of condition it is right now. Let me get back and let me show you another code which will open the diagnostics, and it is also another technical code. It is *pound 426 pound *. And as you can see, we are in a diagnostics, so here we can check the server, host, port, time connected, or signal level. Let's tap on events, and here you can check more info. Let's tap on this three dots icon, and after tapping on this square, you can show advanced view. Just tap on the status again, and here we've got some further details, just like the heartbeat, last ping, or HB algorithm. Let me get back and let me show you another code which will open the calendar info. It is *pound 225 pound *. And here we've got the calendar info. Here we've got all the events in one place. We can check some family events, some holidays in your country should appear right here, or events attached to your mail or some birthday. So it is the best location, it is the best place to check the events, because they are grouped into particular sections. Let me get back and let me show you the last code which will open the testing mode. It is *pound 4636 pound *. And as you can see, we are in the testing mode. Here we've got two different phone info and also Wi-Fi info. Phone info is divided into two because we've got two different SIM slots inside our device. So of course, and this one will be connected to the first SIM slot and this to the second SIM slot. So let me check this one, for example, and obviously I've got those spaces empty. It is because I do not have my card inserted. If you will have, then you will be able to check all of those info, like for example phone number, the current sub ID, roaming, or data network type. What's more, after scrolling down, we can run ping test here, and here we've got the results. After tapping on more, you can also enable data connection or view fixed dialing numbers. Let me get back and let's check the Wi-Fi info. Here we can check the API configuration or the status. So let me pick the status, let's refresh the stats, and here we've got info like the network state, SSID, or network ID. We can also run ping test here. So actually that's all. This is how to use secret codes in your Redmi Note 10 Pro. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.